Did you know your daily habits can significantly affect your bone health? Welcome to an exploration of the skeletal system, the very framework that supports our bodies. Bone health is crucial, not just for movement, but for overall well-being. Our lifestyle choices can either fortify or weaken our bones. In this video, we're going to discuss 10 surprising habits that can lead to stronger skeletons. From diet to exercise and even sleep, these habits may just be the game changer your bones need. Let's dive into these 10 habits that can help you boost your bone health. First on the list is regular exercise. It's no secret that movement is good for us, but did you know it helps maintain bone density too? Weight-bearing exercises like walking, running, or lifting weights can stimulate bone formation, keeping your skeleton sturdy and healthy. Next up, we have a balanced diet. Consuming a variety of foods ensures that you're getting the nutrients your bones need. Think fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. It's not just about calcium, though that's important too. Speaking of calcium, that's our third habit. This mineral is crucial for bone health, and while dairy is a good source, it's not the only one. Leafy greens, fish, nuts, and seeds can also help you meet your daily calcium needs. Our fourth habit might seem obvious, but it's worth mentioning. Quit smoking. We all know that smoking is bad for our lungs, but did you realize it can also weaken your bones? Indeed, numerous studies have linked smoking to decreased bone density. Lastly, habit 5. Avoid excessive alcohol. While enjoying a drink or two is unlikely to harm your bones, regularly consuming large amounts can interfere with your body's ability to absorb calcium and vitamin D, two crucial nutrients for bone health. These are the first 5 habits that can make a difference in your bone health. Moving on to the 6th habit, which is getting enough vitamin D. Vitamin D is a unique nutrient, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, as our bodies can produce it when exposed to sunlight. It's a crucial player in calcium absorption, helping to maintain healthy bones and teeth. So, whether it's a sunny stroll or a supplement, make sure you get your daily dose. The 7th habit is maintaining a healthy weight. Excess weight can put unnecessary pressure on your bones, especially the weight-bearing ones like your hips and knees. Conversely, being underweight can lead to bone loss. Strive for a balanced body weight to keep your skeleton strong and sturdy. Next up, habit number 8. Limit your caffeine intake. While a cup of joe can perk you up, overdoing it may interfere with your body's ability to absorb calcium. So, remember to enjoy your coffee in moderation. The 9th habit is getting regular checkups. Routine bone density tests can help detect early signs of osteoporosis, allowing for timely intervention. It's a proactive step towards safeguarding your bone health. Lastly, habit number 10. Manage your stress. Chronic stress can lead to a myriad of health issues, including bone loss. Incorporate relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, or even a simple walk in the park to keep stress at bay. These are the remaining 5 habits that can help you achieve stronger bones. Let's quickly recap these 10 habits that can boost your bone health. From a balanced diet rich in calcium and vitamin D, to regular weight-bearing exercise, good sleep hygiene, and even laughter. Each habit offers unique benefits to your skeletal system. Let's not forget the importance of staying hydrated, moderating alcohol, quitting smoking, reducing stress, and getting regular checkups. Incorporate these habits into your daily routines for better bone health. Remember, small changes in your daily habits can lead to big improvements in your bone health. Start today for a healthier tomorrow.